guys, welcome back to another video. Hey Allisson, teach me how to dance. Stop touching my nose. You want to sing a song?
Okay. The fish on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. No. And then the guy's there. No, wait.
Alright.
Oh, through the brown.
I'll have a better song to sing.
What?
The piggy in the farm goes.
Moo, 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 moo.
What? Are you crazy?
Moo.
Have you ever heard a pig go moo?
Yeah. Moo, moo, moo.
Allisson in the farm goes wah 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 wah. Ah! My nose. Can't see. You farted. Do you farted?
Yeah.
Nasty. Ah.
I farted.
Ew, you're a farty pants. I know your pants stink. You wash your butt in the sink. I don't want to smell that. Put that away from me. Ew. Hey, Allisson. Hey, guys. I keep hearing something go. You heard that? It's so weird. What was that? I think it's like a ghost. Allisson! I got your milk. What's wrong with you? Are you trying to give me a heart attack? Where did she go? Hey guys, I have a question for you. Can you count to 5? What is that? A ghost? I heard ghosts don't exist.
Ghost is here. Hey, I heard that you found ghost. It's a mystery.
Mystery? I don't like mysteries in the night. It's scary.
We're gonna pretend that our goldfish is gone, and we're gonna pretend that somebody stole it, okay? And it's gonna be a mystery, okay? Stealed it? What is that? We're gonna pretend
That someone took it without permission?
Yeah. We're gonna pretend that...
Wait, your Uncle Ryan always does that, right? He always takes your toys without permission.
That the switch went out, and that somebody stole it, and we need it back. That we need to pretend that is a mystery. Hey, who's that over there? Was it her?
You got hiccups.
Hey, we're gonna pretend that this is gotten from somebody's steal.
I have a question. What's the difference between a hiccup, a burp, and a fart? Ew. So you farted, you hiccup, and then you burp?
That's right.
Ew.
Trying to fight.
You're trying to what?
What? Then a fish.
What was that? Why do you talk like that? You go, what? You see, you go, pig. Say something.
Hey, go, hey, go.
You see? You were going, hey. You see? You can't even laugh right. Hey, I like your teeth. How many do you got?
I love.
Aww. I think you just like looking at yourself. You think you're so cute. Your breath smells like fish and cheese. Ah! How many teeth do you got?
20.
20? That's so much. Why you chew like that? Like a cow. I know I'm a pig, but don't chew like a cow. You chew like a goat. The goat goes.
Oink, oink, oink.
You're wrong. About what? Who's that? Your mom is Ma. Your dad is Pa. Who's Ba? When hiccups, you go back. You see? How does the dog go? Ew! You're gonna make me fly out of here. You ever seen a swine flu? You ever seen a pig fly? Well, guys, that's all we got for today. Tune in next week for more.